Hello traders, in this video I'll be taking a look at ApexAlgo EA for MT5. Meanwhile, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let us start on the MQL5 marketplace page. This is ApexAlgo EA version 1.0 by Leonid Ajvazi. It is listed as free right now, though the pricing note mentions it will increase with sales up to $699. Right, you can see that's written here. Okay, so it is specifically designed for MT5 and optimized for trading XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right, the description highlights a trend following approach with breakout and retest logic, strict market filters for higher quality entries, dynamic ATR based stop loss, a multi-take profit system, and automatic break-even protection once the first target is hit. It emphasizes quality over quantity, controlled risk, and sustainable growth rather than aggressive trading. Now, moving into the EA itself, it comes with automatic risk adjustment using ATR 14. Okay, intelligent profit targeting, and options for customization like EMA filters and trend confirmation from higher time frames. All right, so this setup can help adapt to volatility, which matters because gold can move sharply. The focus on fewer but higher probability trades and built-in risk controls like break-even is something many traders appreciate for protecting capital during choppy periods. Okay, now let us look at some back testing that I ran in the strategy tester. But before we do that, let's quickly look at the provided strategy tester report here. Okay, the balance here, initial deposit was $100,000 and the total net profit made was just roughly 6.49%. that is 6,491.85 net profit. The profit factor was 3.91. It's quite good. It shows that the gross profit was substantially more than the gross loss. Okay, and then we had 652 total trades taken, out of which 525 were profitable. So that gave us an 80.52% win rate. It's quite a nice win rate. It's an excellent win rate actually. Okay, so this looks good. Let's quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the EA performed during the period of our own back testing. All right. Okay, so I ran the test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame from early January 2026 through mid-July 2026. So this gives us about 6.5 months of historical data to observe how the EA behaves. Okay, on the chart, you can see the trades plotted. This shows the trade history. All right, the EA takes selective entries aligned with the trend. All right, often after breakouts and retests. Okay, now positions are managed with dynamic stops and adjust to dynamic stops that adjust to volatility, and we see the multi-take profit levels in action along with the break-even moves. Right, we have already looked at the description here on the MQL5 marketplace so that we can understand the way the EA behaves. Right, so when we just look at the trade history, we might be able to understand it better when we look at how some of the trades we are executed. Okay, and one of the things I observe is that the trades, there seems to be significant spacing between trades. Right, the EA is not executing back-to-back trades. You will notice that there's significant distance once a trade is entered and closed. It's there. there is no another position entered immediately, you will notice that it could take a couple of days for another trade to be executed. You can see on several locations, once a trade closes, it takes a number of days before another trade is opened. All right, so this is not the type of EA to stack a lot of trades back to back. All right, the trade frequency is moderate, not over trading, which helps keep exposure in check. All right, so looking at the results, starting from a $10,000 balance, we ended with a net profit of around $243.81 in profit. There were 29 deals, which means 14 total trades taken with a reasonable win rate. The win rate was 64.29%. Out of 14 trades, only 9 were profitable. All right, and there was a controlled drawdown. Okay, we can see that the balance drawdown was 1.05% and the equity drawdown was 1.8%. So it's a controlled drawdown. The equity curve shows steady gradual growth with extreme spikes or deep drops. We can see how initially the equity and balance curve was kind of rough, and then it just remained steady, right? Over about 2 months plus. No, am I saying 2 months plus? This was from the end towards the third week of January up until May, first week of May, right? So over 4 months, we had quite a steady balance, right? And then there was a decline and then an increase. So this was quite a rough equity and balance curve, all right? But at the end of the day, the EA ended with a net profit of just about 2.4%, all right? Now, key metrics like profit factor and recovery factor look solid for this period, but remember that these are historical backtest results only. Okay, performance can vary significantly based on your lot size, broker spreads, slippage, and changing market conditions. Longer testing periods help build confidence, so I'll still recommend running your own extended tests across different conditions. All right. Overall, ApexAlgo EA presents itself as a structured rule-based system for XAUUSD on H1 that prioritizes risk management and selective entries. It may appeal to traders looking for a more conservative, trend-oriented approach to gold rather than high-frequency scalping. That said, no expert advisor is suitable for everyone. Okay, success depends on your risk tolerance, proper optimization, and forward testing on a demo account first. All right, so always do your own due diligence and never risk money that you cannot afford to lose. If you test it yourself, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.